Imagine a constitutional amendment that protects rights it never actually names. That is the Ninth Amendment. It says that listing certain rights in the Constitution does not mean other rights do not exist. In just one sentence, it reshapes how we think about freedom and limits on government power. The Ninth Amendment was born out of fear, specifically, fear of omission. During the ratification debates, many Americans worried about writing down a list of rights at all. They feared that if some rights were listed, others would be ignored or denied. To them, rights existed naturally, not because the government chose to recognize them. Government was meant to protect rights, not define the boundaries of them. James Madison took this concern seriously. Although he initially doubted the need for a Bill of Rights, he listened to the critics. When the Bill of Rights was drafted, Madison added the Ninth Amendment as a safeguard. It was ratified in 1791 alongside the rest of the Bill of Rights. Its purpose was to make one thing unmistakably clear: the Constitution does not create all rights. It merely recognizes some of them, while leaving room for others to exist beyond the text. For a long time, the Ninth Amendment sat quietly in constitutional law. Courts rarely relied on it directly. Judges struggled with how to enforce rights that were not specifically named or defined. Without clear boundaries, the amendment felt powerful but elusive. Still, the idea behind it never disappeared. In the 20th century, the Ninth Amendment gained new attention. It influenced debates about privacy, autonomy, and personal liberty. The Supreme Court referenced it in cases involving marriage, family life, and bodily autonomy. It helped support the idea that people have fundamental rights beyond those written on the page. The Ninth Amendment does not hand judges a checklist. Instead, it sends a warning. Do not assume that silence means permission for government control. Unenumerated rights still matter. Freedom is broader than any list can capture. For lawyers, this makes the Ninth Amendment both powerful and complex. Arguments based on it require deep constitutional understanding and careful reasoning. They often appear alongside other amendments in major rights cases. Staying current on how courts interpret these ideas is critical in a changing legal landscape. That is where modern legal tools make a difference. Legalizer is a mobile-first, all-in-one operating system for law firms. It helps manage cases, research, clients, and billing in one place. Because it works anywhere, lawyers can stay prepared on the move. When constitutional arguments evolve, access matters. Lawyers need their cases, notes, and deadlines at their fingertips. Tools like Legalizer help them stay ready to protect rights, even the ones not written down.